evaluating the change in skills observed with a novel brushing technique based on sequence learning using video biofeedback system in children. Young children are often taught simple toothbrushing methods such as the phones or horizontal scrub technique because these are easy to learn. However, many children using these methods tend to brush only the front surfaces of their teeth and neglect the inner surfaces. To address this problem, a modified brushing technique based on a step-by-step learning sequence was introduced. In this study, children were trained using this new method along with video feedback to help them see and improve their brushing skills. Their brushing process was video recorded before training and again after 12 weeks of practice. The results showed a clear and significant improvement in brushing skills for both upper and lower teeth compared to their original brushing habits. The study concludes that tooth brushing in children should be taught as a regular daily habit, and this sequence-based brushing technique can be recommended as an effective and child-friendly method to improve oral hygiene. Introduction. Dental plaque is a sticky layer of bacteria that constantly forms on teeth. If not removed, it can lead to gum disease and tooth decay. Brushing teeth regularly is the most common and affordable way to control plaque, but young children often do not brush effectively. This is usually due to poor hand coordination, low motivation, and difficulty understanding the shape and surfaces of teeth. Simple brushing methods, such as the phones or horizontal scrub technique, are commonly recommended for children. However, studies show that children often miss certain areas of the teeth, especially the inner and back surfaces. Proper brushing requires cleaning many different tooth surfaces, which can be hard for children to remember. To make brushing easier and more effective, a new method based on step-by-step sequence learning was developed. Presenting brushing movements in a fixed and simple order may help children remember and perform the technique better, leading to improved oral hygiene. Conclusion. The brushing technique based on the sequential learning principle can be recommended as a new and effective method to help children brush their teeth properly and maintain better oral hygiene. This important article is authored by the following scientists: Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to our channel BP International to watch more videos in the fields of science, technology and medicine.